Guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing an unboxing. I bought all these phones from a seller, just individually, but I bought them from all the same seller. They all came overseas to the US. So let's start with the first one here. So the first one, I ordered this one because of this. I really like this device. This is the Motorola, I think the Pebble U6. No battery, no SIM card. This is kind of like a white pearl. Slide down, screen comes up. Keyboard's seen better days, but screen still stays closed. Here's a Nokia Express model 5800D-1. Back cover is kind of broken. It looks like it's got a transparent red side to it, which is kind of cool. Missing a volume rocker. Front facing camera. It's kind of interesting. Here we have a Nokia. Not sure how the back cover comes off. There's the eject button. There we go. Nokia 6500S-1. No SIM, no micro SD, and no battery. Looks to be in decent shape minus the scratches. Chrome's kind of coming off here, and it looks like it's missing some plastic slide rails on the slider. Here's an LG 8700. This is on, try to get this to shut. Telus. Once you just see me unbox one earlier in the videos, that was on Verizon I got. Keyboard of this one looks really good. And minus the scratches, the front looks really good as well. As well as the back. Here's another one of those Nokia 6500 S-1. Got some issues with the micro SD card. It looks like the SIM card underneath is fine though, but the SD card reader is a little messed up. This one looks to have the rails I was talking about. A little bit more scuffed up though, scratch wise. Got a few dents in the back. Here's the next one. Oh, smack tripod again, keep smacking it. Here's a Motorola K1. You can see the keyboard. No label on the back. SD card, battery, back cover, and SIM card are all missing. Does have a crack. I just noticed when I looked at it right on the screen. Not a big deal. I can get probably one of those off eBay if I get lucky. Might even have one. Nokia 1280. No battery, no SIM card. Here's a Nokia 5310 or 5310 on no carrier, it looks like. It's got a blue rail. I have one of these. I think mine's red. Might even have a gray one. Here's a Motorola. And the label's kind of ripped off, it looks like. I think I remember the model number, but I just can't think of it right now. Camera's got a crack in it, maybe. We'll see what we can do with that one. Here we have an LG E400. No battery, no SIM card. Pretty decent shape for it being a plastic screen. Does got some scratches and some wear on the edges, but here's a Fly phone. model TS91 maybe. It's got two SIM card trays and a micro SD card slot. These are going to Retrocomms probably. Here's a Philips device. X513 is the model number, I'm guessing. Two SIM card trays and a micro SD card slot. Kind of different looking phone, to be honest. I think it's missing a ring around the keyboard because I would imagine you putting your finger in there to use it, but there it is. Sagem is what I'm going to go with. Probably wrong, but I'm going to go with it. There's the back of it. Can't tell you the model number because I do not know. It's a interesting looking phone. LCD doesn't look broken. No battery, no SIM card. That's a weird looking battery. It's got two terminals on it. Probably throw that one to Retrocomms. Here is an LG U370. Disney mobile phone is actually the first one I think I bought from him because I seen it was Disney Mobile and I just got a Disney mobile phone, so now I got two of them. And then here we have an Alcatel. This one I think is going to Retrocomms as well. There's the information on that one. Corroded battery terminal, really bad. And then we have the last one from this seller. I usually don't buy phones out of the US because of how expensive they are with the shipping and stuff, but I have done it a few times. And I have a video coming up of some phones I bought from Canada. So here's a Sony Xperia, or Sony Ericsson Xperia. There is the information. Couldn't tell you the model number. I'm guessing it's one of these two numbers up there. No SIM card, no SD card, no battery. Here is a Nokia E72. Really cracked display up there. I think I have one of these. I can't remember. Model E72-1. No SIM card. Here is a Sony Ericsson CyberShot C902. Keypad is kind of falling off. Probably fix that later on if we can find a battery and test that it works before I go through fixing cosmetic issues on phones. Another Sony Ericsson CyberShot. Got to pull it down on camera. C905. No SIM card, no battery, which I didn't think the international ones come with batteries because of that. Missing some keys up here. Another Sony Ericsson touchscreen. There you go again. Can't tell you the model number. Like I said, I'm guessing it's one of those two up there. I doubt it has a micro SD card. It does not. Here's a Pantech G1100, I think that's what it says. No battery, no SIM card. And the pegs are messed up for the SIM card, so I may not be able to get into the menus if I was to get a battery. SL55. Does have a battery. Bulged, but it does have a battery. There's that there. A Mitsubishi M420i, I'm guessing. No SIM card. No battery. I guess that's what the M420i is, a slider with a camera. Here is a Verizon Samsung, which is interesting. It's like a yellowish champagne color almost, maybe gold. A530, SCH A530. Here's another Pantech flip phone. Says fingerprint recognition. I wonder how that works. Oh, right there. Just sliding down like the old Lenovo laptops used to be. That's quite interesting. PG6200. And the last two, we have another Nokia E72, which we just unboxed one right there. So we have parts to make one of them hopefully work. No battery, no SIM card, I'm guessing. Then we have a Nokia S-1C. No battery, no SIM card. Missing a front button there. The little directional pad. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one.